The Office of the Commissioner of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, had organized a special licensing and registration camp at its office in Lower Lachumiere, Shillong, to facilitate local food business operators, particularly street vendors, in securing the necessary approvals. The initiative aimed to streamline the licensing process and ensure compliance with the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI) regulations. The camp served as an interactive platform where FBOs engaged directly with the Food Safety Department officials, received guidance on application procedures, and completed the formalities required for licensing and registration. This effort reflects the government's commitment to strengthening food safety measures while supporting local businesses in adhering to regulatory standards. Addressing the media, Assistant Commissioner of Food Safety D.B.S. Mukhim highlighted that under the FSSAI guidelines, routine inspections are conducted on all food business operators, including street vendors, wholesalers, retailers, butchers, and self-help groups. She informed that approximately 95% of the FBOs have already secured their clearance certificates, while the remaining 5% are yet to apply. Mukhim cautioned that non-compliance could invite legal action from the department as per existing regulations.
Kadika jingle jong ka department ni khot kini ki FSSAI initiatives hakaba ka department ka penlong ya kini camp ki licensing and registration camp te hakani ka sini penlong na ka banta jong kini ki street food vendor kadai na ka banta jong ki but yakini nga kwa ban continue yakini ngi da call ngi da phone namar bale pi tip hi ba ki street food vendors hang ne Shillong jini ki bon ba ti lada iwei lawan ar lawan kiwan kumtu lada ngim yo jingkhen ka long ka ba e ba ngi bangin register ki namar wa ki staff ngi don tang khendian tikinum la ki bapli te long ka sap e ken kasni jong ki tu ki vendors ki bawan ro kan sap e tenang takan long ka jing e ro na ka banta jong ngi bangin ngin register ki kenya ka jo ko tina ta ka daw kini ki bawan mentang sngi ki bapi i hang ni ki de ki bangi la ada phone lupa na office kat kum ki number ki ba bat ki kerteng ki ba ka office jong ka don ya ki information ni ka banta le singa laban ong kumba khandai pusan percent ki one bet ban chime ka clearance ni tenang ta pade san percent ki don hi ki ba hang tu hang ni le si ki ba lat ken ki ba claim one but ya kan ngi julet ban pen kan mau ki ban ramai ni ki adu mentai ti ya ka ba le si ka por kan sabatai ngi ha ka ba ngin ha ban shim ban take action as per law kat kum kan ka an ke jong ka ba ngi don mo ti Henry hadu mentahi ti ke don katabat kawai ka banga kwa ban pen ngau thu ikipat ba ka dikan ni bahaba pila wan ban bu ik application bapan bapipan ya clearance certificate pinha pade ban register mde ban ong batang ba ngila pila kontak ingi pila ai ngi ka application kata kala biak em kampat biak ti kidon kini ki NGO le siela ni ki organization ngala panong kiba organize kum kini ki chat fest tetang ba kilabu ik application hadian nga nakaliang jonga ngala reply back ya ki ba pide ban haban wan bu ya formal application jong pi tenri kilaya checkmat pi te kum kini ki ekim de kin ban long ta ba kin ngau thu ba o bangila pha application kala biak ya ide ban pendem tenri kidon ki fine ki bangi ay kini ka bangi fine ni kini ki brio tenang ta pade kababu ni te nganong yepi ba ngidang ay ki ka ngidang continue ban ay ki education ban ay ki ka jing hikai te ngiju ay ki ka non compliance notices but ki we but ngidon ni record jong kito te nrei la da phim ko ngo si siento RCN ngin I reminder lycine ngindang consider te nrei nakapor kamla ban long but kini ngi don ya ki institute ki case ke mungkin getting ilaman